Oh, I got to tell you, these sites, YouTube and Facebook, one is getting as bad as the other. I just had a post I put up on Facebook, a story about Indianapolis Police Canine that was getting a free vest from this organization. Um, and Facebook said it looked like spam, so they removed it. I just, oh, this makes you want to go, I don't know what's going on, but this is the post about Indiana State Police Department's K9 Apache gets body armor. I don't know what's going to do if these sites are they're running so scared they think every post that gets put up is some kind of scam, and either they don't allow advertising on like YouTube, or they're removing it. Hell, sometimes they're removing the whole someone's site completely. So I protested. I said no, it's not spam, and hopefully they'll take a look at it and make it right. But this is getting these sites are Facebook, YouTube, so on, so running so scared about people putting up trash on their site that they're using these rhythms here to remove them. I mean, they're not being done by real life people; they're being done by coding, and so I don't know. But hopefully, Facebook comes to its senses and restores this post, but it kind of makes you just sometimes not want to use their sites because of this. I've had a lot of trouble with YouTube not allowing advertising on videos I put up, and now this with Facebook removing this post on this Indianapolis Police Canine getting this free body armor from this organization or vest. So if this has happened to you, let me know if you got it worked out or what you're doing about it, because it's just getting to be a little more than I actually want to mess with when I'm putting a post up on like Facebook or YouTube. That's all I got on this, but again, they removed this post saying it looked like spam, and so again, I've let them know, it's not spam, it's a legitimate post. So again, if this has happened to you, let me know. That's all I got from me here in Pendleton, Indiana, to you wherever you are. Hope that you have a great day, and hope that Facebook and YouTube treat you fairly. All right, that's it. I'll talk to you later.